Hi there, students. Freelance. Freelance. This is an adjective and an adverb. And then you have a freelancer, the person. Okay, if somebody works freelance, there you go as an adverb, it means that they work for themselves. They're self-employed. Yeah? So, rather than having a job in one organization, in one company, they generally do different work for different companies. Yeah? So, most journalists work freelance. Yeah, they do particular pieces of work for companies, but they don't have a long-term contract. Yeah, so you could earn your living as a freelancer, as a freelance worker. Okay, so you're not tied to any particular company. Yeah, you are self-employed and you work for different companies on different assignments. Okay, so you could do freelance work, freelance photography. Yeah, a freelance journalist. Let's see. I quite actually like the etymology of this word. This word was first used or coined by Sir Walter Scott. Sir Walter Scott was an early 19th century writer. And he wrote a series of books, one particularly famous one called Ivanhoe. Now, Ivanhoe is a historical novel set in the Middle Ages, yeah, where this is after 1066, where the Normans have taken control of the UK, and Ivanhoe is a member of an Anglo-Saxon noble family. Anyway, in this book, Sir Walter Scott uses the phrase, or he coins the phrase, a free lance. Okay, the lance is the spear, the javelin that a knight uses for jousting or for fighting. And that a person's lance is free means that they don't work for any particular lord or any particular person. Yeah, they work for the person they fight for the person who pays them. So effectively, it's a mercenary. Yeah, and that then came to mean the idea of a person who sells their services to clients without a long-term contract. Yeah, a freelance contract as an adjective, to work freelance as an adverb, or even as a verb, to freelance. He freelances in this industry. Okay, so as a verb as well. Okay, so I think that you could also use this to act independently without orders from anyone else. Yeah, I think firstly, in the main meaning, is to work self-employed. But okay, so maybe somebody who works for a company, maybe they freelance a bit. Well, look, if you give me some money on the side, I could do this for you. Yeah. But it's most normally for work and things like that. An independent employee, an independent person. Yeah, not somebody who works for a salary. It's somebody who doesn't have a salary. Yeah, their money comes from the different people that they work for. Yeah, they don't work for a single organization all the time. They work for different ones, particularly a journalist, a photographer, yeah, where you get paid by the piece of work. Yeah, you don't get paid by an organization. Yeah, okay, so it's an independent. As to formality, this is a business word. To freelance, I think I'm probably going to give it 5.5, 6 in formality, use anywhere, a touch on the more formal business side, but usable in any circumstances. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Freelance, a freelancer.